Apple will launch its Apple iPhone 13 Pro Max, a flagship smartphone from the company. Apple will launch its upcoming iPhone 13, that is the high-end Pro Max version of the series. Last a few days ago, we learned that the Pro and Pro Max will reportedly have Samsung's OLED screens with a refresh rate of 120 Hz. Information on the design of the iPhone 13 series is now appearing. Let's talk about the upcoming new Apple iPhone 13 Pro Max. The smartphone got a chipset of Apple A15 Bionic, which is the most powerful chipset, and to give more power to this device it has a 3.22 hexa-core processor inside the Apple's iPhone 13 Pro Max to make the device ultra-fast. And also there is a GPU of Apple GPU 5-core graphics under the hood of this smartphone. The display screen size of the smartphone is 6.7 inches, and it will provide the user with Full HD plus the resolution of 1284 by 2778 pixels. The Apple iPhone 13's having a Super Retina XDR OLED capacitive touchscreen display that is the latest one and well known for its outstanding results. In the protection of this smartphone, it has a scratch-resistant glass, oleophobic coating. This iPhone 13 Pro Max by Apple got 6 GB of RAM, which gives this handset more power. The handset has got 128 GB of internal memory, which is more than enough to store your data. There is a quad camera setup in the back of this new Apple 13 Pro Max. The main camera is 12 megapixels wide, and another one is also 12 megapixels telephoto, 12 megapixels ultra-wide, and the depth sensor is TOF 3D LiDAR megapixels. On the front, there is a dual 12-megapixel selfie camera in Apple iPhone's 13 Pro Max. There is a Face ID reader in this smartphone to protect your data. And you will find an IP68 dust/water resistant up to 6 for 30 minutes. The battery of the upcoming iPhone 13 Pro Max is also a massive one. The handset is fueled with a 4,352 mAh battery to get enough backup time, and the smartphone also got a fast battery charging. Now Samsung and other smartphone companies will have a competitor in the market when 13 Pro Max launched. Build OS iOS 15, upgradable to iOS 15.3. Dimensions 160.8 by 78.1 by 7.7 mm weight. 240G, SIM. Dual SIM, dual standby.